Hello students, in this video we are going to study about how to locate root 2 on number line. Use a scale and draw a line segment. Use 3 cm is equal to 1 units and take the points on it there like 0, 3, 6, 9 and 12 and after that 15 units. Label all these points as 1, 2, 3. I can take it 0, you need a 0, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1 and minus 2. See, I am giving it 0 here, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. So this much you know there. Draw line segment and take the numbers. This is the integer line segment. After that, now use a compass and on the 1 unit, 1, just draw a semicircle by using a compass. By the same distance, cut the semicircle at 2 points and from the same 2 points, by the same distance, take is the point, draw the point there. These two arcs intersect. Now use a scale and from the point 1 to that intersected arc draw a line segment. So see this. Now this which line you drawn, that line is perpendicular to the line segment. So it form a 90 degree. Okay, use a compass now from the 1 unit to the 0. From the 1 to the 0 measure this distance and take 1 unit on the line segment, same distance. The white is, I do say that later. Okay, after that give a name to that one and join that point to 0. Okay, join it. Next, label it. How to label this one? See that this is point A. Later next point where it is 90 degree angle, that you give the B, 0 considered as a O. So therefore OBA is a right angle triangle, right? OBA is a right angle triangle. Now OB and BA distance are equal, so that considered as a 1 unit. So this is 1 unit and this BA is also 1 unit. So OB is equal to 1 and AB is equal to also 1 units. Now take the triangle OBA. In triangle, which triangle it is? Why that OA is, how much distance it comes, that we need to find it now. So therefore, just take it that in triangle OAB taken, okay, no problem. B is equal to 90 degree, right? Yes, B is equal to 90 degree. And you know that if it is a 90 degree, then OBA or OAB is a right angle triangle. And to the right angle triangle, we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what come? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square, that na? Then hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse here? OA is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to this base square plus height square, that is OB is a base and AB is a height. OA square is equal to, OB is equal to 1 units considered and this 1 square and 1 square. OA square is equal to 1 plus 1. So this is what OA square is equal to 2. So this implies OA is equal to root 2. Now from the figure, if you do see that this OA distance is how much it is? OA distance is root 2. OA distance is root 2. Let's just check it out. This root 2, how much distance is there? Same length distance we have to show on the line segment. And that line segment is what? See. So therefore, to draw the line segment, we do draw arc consider O as a center, and from the point A, draw the arc to the line. Draw the arc to the line. This you take down, very good, and where it is intersecting, that you give A dash. Means OA is equal to OA dash, both are equal there. Then definitely this line is a real number line, and we are representing root 2 on the number line. So therefore that point is there na, where A dash represent root 2. A dash represent root 2. Means O to A dash distance is how much? O to A dash distance is root 2 units. Root 2 units. Watch this video again and again to learn to locate the root 2 on number line. Subscribe this channel, share with your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.